$10 million? Good Lord, that's a lot of money. Happening, everybody, I'm Don the Car Guy. About a month ago, CarShield got hit with a $10 million fine from the Federal Trade Commission. So it occurred to me, a lot of you may not know how an extended warranty works. So with an extended warranty, you come to a shop like ours and you drop off your car or truck. So the warranty company will then want you to authorize all diagnostic charges which you are responsible for, and then have us call them with the diagnosis so they can authorize or decline repairs. This is where some potential conflicts can arise because the warranty company may want to know exactly what the failed component is, which requires what is known as teardown. Teardown means that you as the owner must authorize us as the shop, and you must agree to pay for us disassembling the failed part, like an engine, differential, or transmission, finding the exact failed component, and then showing that to the warranty company in order to get the repair authorized. Not only does this add a lot of cost to the bill to diagnose and repair your car, it also adds a lot of time to it as we work our way through this warranty process. Time that you are paying for, but also time you are waiting to get your car repaired. Then there's the other thing that comes up, and that's the fine print, because even though the person selling you that warranty might be telling you they cover everything, most warranties have a very specific list of components that they will and will not cover, and you need to make sure you're checking that if you're buying an extended warranty. You also need to understand that the warranty company may not pay the full labor rate of the shop that you're having work on the car or the dealership, leaving you on the hook for the balance of that. They also may not pay the full price for the parts or want to send used parts to put on your car. So you're probably asking yourself, car repair is pretty expensive. If I'm not going to buy an extended warranty, Don, what should I do? You should save your money is what you should do. Instead of adding thousands of dollars to the purchase price of a new or a used car, instead set aside a little money every week. And what you can do is literally set aside 20 bucks a week, 40 bucks a week, 50 bucks a week, whatever you can afford. But what that does is that puts you, the consumer, the person that owns the car, in charge of who fixes your car, how much you spend, what repairs get authorized, what kind of parts get put on your car. You end up being the winner. Because remember, profit's not a dirty word, but these warranty companies are in this for a profit. They are not in this to benefit you.